A very warm good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am discussing about whiskey. Whiskey or whiskeys refers to a broad category of alcoholic beverage that are distilled from fermented grain mash and aged in wooden cask. Whiskey making process. Whiskies can be made from the variety of cereals depending on their type and water. These cereals are barley, corn, rye and wheat. Malting, the process which converts barley to malt, refers to malting process in making of beer. Mashing, which produce wort sugar solution from ground or crushed malt. Fermentation, a process that produces vast, a weak, crowd impure spirits and consequent upon the introduction of yeast in the wort. Distillations, the process that strengthens and the purified spirits contained in a vase and also separates the solid contained in the spirituous liquor. Maturations, the process that transfers of raw spirit into whiskey. Bottling, after the period of maturations the spirit is bottled to be sold. The different type of whiskies are Scotch whiskey, Irish whiskey, American whiskey, Canadian whiskey and Indian whiskey. If we talk about Scotch whiskey, water and malted barley, to which only other whole grains may be added, have been processed at distillery into a mash and fermented only by additions of yeast, and must be matured in Scotland in oak cask for not less than 3 years and must not contain any added substance. Single malt whiskey, it is a malt whiskey from one distillery, Glenmorangie and Macallan's and Lippog and Highland Park. These are the example of single malt whiskey. Blended Scotch whiskey, it is a mixture of malt and grain whiskey. Johnnie Walker and Cutlass Park, famous grounds, Chivas Regals. Irish whiskey, it is a whiskey made in Ireland. The grain used for making Irish whiskies are barley, rye and corn. Irish whiskey has to be distilled, thrown and matured at least 3 years and no peat fire is used to dry the malt. American whiskey, made not less than 50% of corn and malted barley. Rye is also used. Barley used and charred, toasted and made in American oak. Whiskies are produced at shore mash and produce some of the world's richest and smoothest whiskey, charred in oak cask and then filtered through a mash of charcoal. Example, Jack Daniel. Canadian whiskey. Canadian whiskey is a type of whiskey which is made from the blends of different grains, rye, corn, malted barley. They have reputations to being highlighted all the classical whiskey and famous brands is Canadian Club. Indian whiskey, made from the various distillation spirits from predominantals and molasses, but nowadays barley malted also used. Some of the famous Indian whiskies are Royal Challenge, Antiquity and Service of Whiskey. Whiskey is served in the following way: up on the rock, neat and the mixtures. Whiskey is generally served in an old-fashioned glass. So thank you.